I used to tell people that this job is the most interesting job that you can ever get. It's a job you do and people will pray for you. It's also a job you do and people will curse you. So it is you, the policeman, that will determine which one you want. If you want prayers, you will get enough prayers in this job. Let me tell you that everywhere I have worked, I'm your Inspector General of Police, I can tell you that everywhere I've worked, people have prayed for me. But the police job is not also a like-me job, because you can't please everybody. Even when you are doing the right thing, people they will criticize you, they will condemn you, because your actions don't favor them. Because your actions don't please them, you can't please everybody. All you should do is just remain committed to doing the right thing and doing things right. Once you know that what you are doing is right, don't be distracted, just continue, be focused, and continue to ensure that you do what is right in your conscience and what is right in the face of the law.